Hello friends, welcome to SDT by Abhijit. In today's video, we are talking about the important interview questions in automation testing interview. So, this is the second part of interview preparation for automation testing. So, move towards our questions. So, the first question is, when will you avoid automated testing? So, sometimes we are not going through automation testing, we are going through manual testing. So, what a time that you are not automate the test. So the answer for this is the software feature under the test changes frequently. So if the features requirements of that features are changes time to time, that we are not going through at that time, we are not going through automation testing, because uh, uh, every time you need to update your automation test script, so it is not possible. So that time we are not going through automation testing. So move towards next. What type of test we are not automate? So some test cases, tests we are not going to automate. That tests are usability, accessibility, and exploratory testing. So these are non-functional type of testing that we are not automate. We can simply test it by manually. What is extend report? So the TestNG and other frameworks are available with different types of reports, but the extend report is a library, open source library, useful for test automation. It can be easily integrated with major testing framework. So this is a open source testing library. What is page object model? So the page object model is also known as POM. It's a design pattern in Selenium that creates an object repository for storing web elements. So at the time of testing a software, we are initializing our web elements in another package which is known as POM. This is a page object model for initializing our web elements. This is useful for reducing code duplication. So the next question is, tell me name of some exceptions in Selenium. So in our interview of automation testing, interviewer asks you the name of some exceptions that you are facing while writing a script, automation script. So the name of these some exceptions are element not feasible exception, no such element exception, then no such alert present exception, then stale element reference exception, and then WebDriver exception. So these are common exception which are facing while writing a script for automation testing. So next question is, what is stale element reference exception? So the stale element reference exception or error is a WebDriver error that occurs because the referenced web element is no longer attached to DOM. So whenever we are going to click on any web element, but at the time the web element not attached to our DOM, then our script shows us stale element reference exception. Moves to our next question. Can we throw exception manually? So there are many type of handling exception. So can we throw the exception manually? The answer for this, yes, we can throw the exception manually by using throw keyword. So throw is a keyword which is used to throw the exception manually without using try catch block. Which type of access specifier you used? So there are four type of access specifiers, that is default, public, private, and protected. So the difference between them are their scope. Some like a public access specifier having scope to everyone, private only in class. So the difference between that is a scope. So the next question is, what is immutable string in Java? So the answer for this is, in Java, string objects are immutable. Immutable simply means unmodifiable or unchangeable. Once the string object is created, that its data or state can't be changed, but the new string is created. So when you create a string object, then you try to modify it, but it's save in a memory, or so then this is known as immutable string. We can't change or modify that string object. So friends, so this is the part 2 for automation testing related questions. So these are the real-time interview questions which is asked in every interview of software testing. So I hope you understand all the questions. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.